Kini lang kay mo change color.
Change the color.
This is what happens when you use saliva mixes with cornstarch plus Benedict solution and then heated to boiling.
And may cornstarch.
Kurog ng kamot siya.
Hindi mo kuhan siya.
You have to explain pa ba this if you have time.
Yeah, we will try to have time.
So, you have to force them talaga to spit lots of saliva. Yan. Yun talaga ang fear ko kapag ano ganito.
Hindi ba pwede kami lang experiment? Really orange na ha?
Yeah, okay. Stop na siya.
Mo siya ice candy.
Yeah.